to be a beautiful part of the coastline, of the Brittany coastline, and we're going to go and check it out. We'll see if it's as pretty as they say. Hopefully it is. There's a big bit of sandy stuff behind Bernard's Head. I think we might be almost there. Look at that! Beautiful! So here we are at the Cap Frehel. We made it. Look at this. A massive lighthouse. And this is the car park. You do have to pay to come to the site. It's €5 to park in the car park, and that's for all day. And you can go in and out as well. So you can go in, go and have lunch somewhere and come back, and your ticket still applies. I'm just going to go and have a little look down here and see. That's pretty. And this is the big lighthouse. So apparently there's been a lighthouse on the Frehel Cap since the time of Louis XIV. The one on the left there, that's the old lighthouse, and that was built in 1702, and it's still standing. Worked with coal and tallow, and then it was upgraded in 1774 with oil burners and mirrors. And then the one in the middle is one of the 5 most powerful lighthouses in France. 105 foot high, and its light, which rises 350 foot above the sea, can be seen up to 31 miles away. So there we are. Pretty powerful lighthouse, still in use today. I like the old one.